modernize some retro style when you're wearing this classic Heelys favorite from Heelys. This adult version has a unique upper that's a collaboration with Pacman. It features all the ghosts at the toe with the classic maze pattern across that canvas upper. It has a shiny Pacman on the side to really accentuate the style, and it stays very secure with a traditional lace-up that has metal eyelets for a customized fit. Inside, it has a yellow microfiber lining to keep it breathable and very cool with extra cushioning, and the foam footbed in the bottom is thickly padded for constant comfort and shock absorption. Underneath, it's vulcanized with a rubber outsole, showing off that unique yellow, keeping it flexible and grippy like a brake when you're rolling around with a heel in the back. The heel also can be removed with the help of this tool, as well as a little pad that comes right in the box so you can control when you're rolling or walking.